Hey, welcome to another episode of DIYCarModz. I'm Jeff, and today I have a viewer requested video. They want to know how to fix the lifting issue that they have with their HFP spoiler. They went ahead and changed their spoiler from the stock one, which is right here, to the HFP spoiler. But after they went ahead and installed it, they said that the issue right here is this ends lift up a little bit and it doesn't sit flush on both ends, and they want to know what the issue is and how to fix it. Right, to fix the issue, all you need to do is get some JB Weld, and here is my stock spoiler so I can show you the difference. When you lift it up here, you see that there's a little gap that forms right there. Take this and put it back in that area. That HFP one, when you lift this up, it pretty much separates all the way up till up here, but you see this one is like just barely in the corner. So once you JB Weld this right here and also this right here on this side so that it's flush, so then this back piece doesn't separate so much, as you can see right there, then once you install it, it'll be flush just like that.